Hello friends, how are you? You are here with the friends airdrop for making online free money. This is the new airdrop guys. This is Omega network airdrop. So you can everyone earn from this application. I will show by step. Okay. So this is the link guys. You can go to the link and install the app. Then log in with the email address. Then give my um, referral code, then invite code, then you will get 20 token free. So guys, this is friends airdrop YouTube channel, and subscribe this and join my telegram channel also. It will be valuable things for your pocket. So after that, we going there in our Omega network website. It will be showing like this: the future of cryptocurrency, easy manage mining on your phone. Start mining cryptocurrency today with our free. You can see the first interface like this. Then you can see the download app button in the down, and if you are scrolling down, they will explain about their website. It's a lightweight and decentralized and friendly application for users. So and they have partners, some big partners also with them. So Binance Lab also with them, OKX and Tron, and yeah, several are there, and you can see this. If you want, you can go to the in link in the description, and after that you click that link, you will go to my telegram account and join the telegram account. Then you will get the link. You can click link and you can enter this airdrop. After that you click the link, you will come like this interface guys. Then you can go to the Google Play and you can download this application easily. So you can install this application to your phone. Then you can open the application and it will be showing like this, some skipping areas. You have to go this and do the same as I do. So guys, you can join with your Google account. I think that is the way to join, good way to join. Then you can put your correct name here, and you can put here as a username for this application. Then make confirm. After that, they are telling instantly get 20 OM and increase mining speed for both when you're earning referral code from your friend. So you can enter the referral code, my referral code link in the description. After that, you will click that link, you will go to my telegram account. You can take the my referral invite code. So after that, put this, you will come this interface. Then you can put the start. After that, you starting, it will be mining like this. After 24 hours, you have to tap one time for this button, mining button. Your this is my profile guys. You can see your profile also, and if you are going to your team members, you can take your copy referral invite code and invite ID also from your account. So guys, hope you will understood and will do with me. We'll take more profit with together. So guys, goodbye. We'll see you in next video.